Model, 66-plate Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3 HDI 130 6-speed Luton box van chassis, cab Euro 6 ULEZ. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 277,353. MOT, the 22nd of January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc4 HHD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox will crunch when selecting 4th and 5th gear. All of the other gears are fine. Still starts to drive fine. Cheap ULEZ Luton box van grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, sat-nav, 2